If we can look at this video, I'd like to show you a very beautiful animal. This one is a hummingbird. It's sleeping, and while it's sleeping, it's making very interesting sounds. It has a very special beak in order to take nectar from the flowers. Allah created it this way.
Kendine has çok tatlı bir sesi var. Uyuyor. Uyurken de horluyor. Çizgi film gibi. Ay ama ben bunu yerim gerçekten. Yani ben bunu gördüğümde birçok defa tekrar videoyu açıp izledim. Uyandırmamak için de sadece fener tutuyorum. Evet. Ama avalem bayağı derin uyuyor. Uyanacak gibi değil, evet.
It's in deep sleep. It's not waking up. It's really very cute, mashallah. And the green color, the bright green color, is really amazing on its feathers. And also the hummingbirds have very perfect qualities. They always sleep every day, just like hibernation. And they hibernate 365 days every year because they move a lot during the day. They use so much energy. That is why they need to rest at night time.